Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect custom domain to Lovable AI. So first, open any web browser and then search for Lovable AI. Now you have to create an account right here. Also with GoDaddy if you're going to get a domain from GoDaddy. So we'll be using GoDaddy for the domain. Now you have to create an account in Lovable AI, and then I'm going to create an application first. I'm going to enter or paste a prompt right here, and then I'm going to build this application with the help of Lovable AI. Now, while waiting, I will create an account on GoDaddy. So tap on create account right here. So in GoDaddy, you need to purchase a domain here. You just have to search for your domain in the search bar. If it's available, then click add to cart. If not, GoDaddy will suggest alternatives. So you can just basically purchase a domain right here as it's not for a fee. Let's just say this one. So what you're going to do is you have to purchase this. Once you have it, you can go back to Lovable AI, tap this one, go to settings or the application settings, tap settings, wait for a couple of seconds, look for the means, and you will see options here. So you can just tap connect domain. And like what I mentioned earlier, you need to purchase that domain from GoDaddy or any other platform. Just make sure that it's yours already. And once done, then you can copy. For example, if you want to purchase, you can pay via different method here, debit card, PayPal, and so on. So once you have it, what you're going to do is just connect that domain here to your Lovable AI application. As easy as that. So you can tap connect or you can buy your own. So for example, it's yours already. Just copy the domain. Okay, right click, copy, go back, and then tap on connect, paste it right here. And that's it. So that's how to connect the domain to Lovable AI. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.